Hey, so today I'm going to show you a quick overview of the new feature that now site marketing is offering. They're calling it a sales funnel built through their new AI website builder. So what I'm going to do right here, right now you're looking at my screen. And what I'm going to show you is I am going to create a business profile. Add new, English, business name, say, for photography shop. One's photo, remain topic. I am a pro economist. Business profile is the AI does its thing, creating a business profile for our photography business. And what you come up with? Shaw's photos and professional photography services specialize in capturing life's most precious moments. Awesome. Pro photographer, professional photography services, wedding portraits, corporate. Cool. We're going to save this for this video purposes. And we're going to go back. I'm going to choose Sean's photo. I'm going to choose it. Sean's photography. Website name, Sean's photo. So I'm going to leave it as friendly. Well, business website, it's going to be Sean's photo. And let's say we're going to do sales photo. Click and build my website. And we're going to let the AI website builder do its thing, choosing the best layout for your business, generating a beautiful banner for my web page, writing a paragraph about my business, give it 2 more seconds, adding services that my photography business offers. And this is what came up. Let's see. Showing photo, capturing life's most precious moments with a keen eye for detail and exceptional service. We can't wait to hear from you. Please fill out the form below to inquire about our services and schedule your next photo shoot. Friendly and personalized service guaranteed. Now, this here will be my capture page of my website. And to me, nice hero picture. Looks very professional, very clean. So we're going to save this. So let's do a preview. See how this looks. And this where it takes me through in my photo. Sean's photo, capturing life's most precious moments with the keen eye for detailed exceptional service. Welcome to Sean's Photo. Nice pictures. I love the graphics. Sean's Photo is a professional photography service dedicated to capturing life's most precious moments. I experienced team of photographers. And there's my landing page. If I would like want to come in here, I'll come in here and change this. Change direct for this button. I can have that set up to a merchant checkout page or something that I might have, whereas they can see the services that we offer. Take that to a page where it offering the services. I could create that landing page and redirect to here. What does it say here? That shows photo. We believe that photography is more than just taking pictures. Contact us today. I could take this learn more button and I could change that into a phone number and have them call directly to the office if I choose to do so. And then I will place the phone number here. I actually go back and actually change that to say, give us a call. Then services. I could personalize these pictures if I want to. Again, of course, if I want to, you can change in, go in, you can change all these texts and the heading and all of that if you choose to do. But what this really does is it saves a lot of time, saves you a lot of energy. If you're someone that is a one-man show and you don't have time for all of this, I basically did this in under 5 minutes because it wasn't that much that I had to personalize. But I mean, if you want to come in and you could change the pictures and everything, but if you just need to get something up quick, let's just say if you are an affiliate marketer, and let's say you go on JVZoo or something like that, ClickBank or something like that, and you find a product that you want to put up and advertise and to sell for, and you want to create a quick 2, 3 page website, you come right in here into NowSite's new AI web builder program, their software, and you get that up and running in less than 10 minutes. Quick, fast, in a hurry, without very little thoughts, just pretty much putting in the inputs of the basics of the product that you or the service that you're offering. And you get that up and online and running quickly, easily, efficiently, professionally, and you can start making money right off the break. in very little time without having to pay someone up a Fiverr or Upwork or something like that to do it for you. You can do that yourself. So I've always said, man, the now site services were awesome for the solo entrepreneur. They're awesome. They save you a lot of time, save you a lot of money. They're very convenient and it is top notch. And the pricing can't be beat for everything that you get with it. So if you like what you saw today, give me a call, 410-929-3390. Or if you want to and you see it and you made your mind up and this is really what you want, you can go click the link that'll be in the description of this video. I'll be happy to get you started. Thank you for your time and have a great day.